Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. Today's video is going to be a 2021 cook and clean with me video. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be cooking in this video, I ask that you stick around to the end, you guys. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time we post a video. Okay guys, I'm going to start out in the kitchen. Right now I am cleaning the dishes from breakfast. It is around 10 o'clock in the morning and we had just got done with breakfast. I'm going to get this kitchen clean and then I'm going to start on dinner.
Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. You know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. Make me feel it's crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me.
Now I am headed into the dining room. I am putting away the Christmas tree and the Christmas lights, and then I'm going to take this tablecloth off, shake it, and also clean off the table with some ODOBAN.
Speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you
Okay you guys, it is time for me to start my dinner. I am starting out with some freshly cleaned chicken legs. I'm going to add a whole Vidalia large onion, as well as some salt, pepper, garlic salt, and some cream of mushroom soup, and a cup of water. Then I'm going to let it cook for 35 minutes. Okay, you guys, dinner is done. This chicken looks and smells so amazing. I can't wait to eat. So now I'm going to give it a stir, and then we'll be ready to plate our food, and I will show you the finished product. This is the finished product, and it was delicious. So now we're going to move on into the kitchen and get this kitchen clean before bed. And you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for all your support. And also, you guys, I just want to let you guys know that starting next Thursday, I will be doing a deep cleaning series on my channel. I'm going to be taking room by room in my home and deep cleaning it. So if you're interested in that kind of motivation, I ask that you meet me on Thursday at 6 a.m. or whenever you can watch. That will be my first episode of the deep cleaning series. And thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys Thursday. Bye, guys.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Wishing I wish I will end up together.